Alright guys, another late night in the garage. I'm gonna be restoring my headlights on my Eclipse. This is how it looks before. It's all like hazy and like yellowed. So this is how it's gonna look after I'm done buffing it out. So this is everything I'm gonna be using. My brother got this from Harbor Freight. I don't know how much it was, like $60. And then he got this buffing pad from Chemical Guys. And then I'm gonna be using this applicator pad, got it from Walmart. It was like a pack of 6. It was like $10 or something. And then I'm gonna be using this rubbing compound from Turtle Wax. It's a heavy duty cleaner to make it clear like that one. And then to finish it off, I'm gonna be using this hybrid ceramic spray coating from Turtle Wax. Alright, so the first step, you're gonna wanna grab some 3M tape or any kind of like painter's tape. Put it around so you don't mess up your paint. My paint's not that good, so it doesn't really matter, but I did it anyways. Gonna grab your rubbing compound and put some on your applicator pad and just put it all over the headlight to make sure you got it everywhere. Alright, so this has settings. It goes all the way to 6. So we're gonna start off on 1 just to make sure all the product is like spread evenly. So here we go. Alright, so I'm gonna go up now that it's I'm gonna add some more of this rubbing compound. Second pass, see how it looks. But this is how it came out with the first pass. It's clearer than it was. It's not yellow anymore. So here we go. Now we're going to be using the ceramic hybrid coating to give it like a layer so it lasts longer and doesn't get yellow as fast. So we're just going to give it a quick spray, and then you want to buff it out. So now you just flip the towel and give it a buff. Then you're going to let it dry and you can do a second coat. Alright, here's the second coat. Oh shit, no.